create new shortcut, and you would see this prompt. Input slide to shutdown, enter, right click properties, enter, click icons, and find the blank one. Right click rename, hold alt plus 0160, click pin to start, click Windows, and just drag it down.